Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel if you're a new visitor, and welcome back if you're a subscriber. I'm Susan Anderson, and this is Susan So Creative, where it's only wrong when it doesn't work.
Number 1 is accurate cutting. Start with a brand new blade in your rotary cutter and a self-healing mat. You need a ruler to cut your yardage, large enough to cut 22 inches, or fold your fabric in quarters and cut 12 inches. You also want to make sure that your ruler has a 60, a 30, and a 40-degree bias. Number 3 is the correct marking tools. You'll need a washout marker, a chalk marker for dark fabrics, and an air-soluble marker for temporary. Do not use Fixion pens as the marks return in cold air or cold weather. You also need to prep your fabric by pressing it using either a spray starch or, my favorite, Magic Quilting and Crafting spray or similar product to take out all the wrinkles and give it some body for cutting. Accurate cutting is vital. Make sure that you have the ruler placed on top of the fabric along with the cut edge. That way you'll have the exact size that you need. Your sewing machine should be in good working order. If you've not had your machine serviced in the last 2 years, you might want to do that before starting. Don't forget, each project should be started with a new needle. Besides a 1/4 inch foot to guide your fabric, you're going to want to be able to move your needle for more accurate seams. If you cannot move your needle on your machine, slide your fabric slightly to the left. Correct thread makes a difference. Fine sewing thread with a smaller diameter will take up less amount of room in your seam, giving you a more accurate 1/4 inch. Be consistent. Use the same needle size, the same needle position, the same presser foot, and the same ruler for cutting your project. I like to use a straight stitch foot and single hole plate when piecing. Check with your dealer to see if these options are available for your machine. You'll need to bring in your machine make and model number with you so you get the correct accessories. A single hole plate and straight stitch foot makes piecing half square triangles and flying geese easy. Remember to press each piece as you build your block. To finish my block, I'm going to trim each section before placing them together. Lay out my parts, piece my rows, and then join the rows together to complete the blocks. Now when I go to square up my finished block, I have little to no trimming to do. My block is the right size because I have the perfect 1/4 inch seam.
Don't forget to stop by your local dealer and purchase any of the accessories mentioned in this video. Remember to bring along your machine model name or number so that you get the correct accessories for your machine. I'm Susan Anderson. Hope to see you next time on Susan So Creative, where it's only wrong when it doesn't work.